Most people get this wrong, and they either end up wasting money or trying risky methods that don't work. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking there is a permanent, free premium hack. That's not real, and it can get your account restricted. Here's the truth no one tells you. Spotify Premium can be accessed legally for free, but only through limited offers, trials, and partner deals. In this video, you'll learn every safe and legal method to get Spotify Premium in 2026 without paying full price, how to avoid scams, and how to extend your listening time without breaking any rules. Let's start with the most common method. Spotify itself offers free trials for new users. Go to the official Spotify website and sign up with a new account. If you are eligible, you may see a 1-month or even 3-month premium trial. This gives you full access to offline listening, no ads, and unlimited skips. But here's the problem. Most people already use their trial and think they're out of options. Now here's where it gets interesting. Spotify often partners with companies like phone carriers, internet providers, and even payment apps. For example, some mobile plans in the US and India include free Spotify Premium for a limited time. If you already pay for a phone plan, check your benefits section. You might already have premium waiting for you. Another legal method is bundled subscriptions. Services like student plans are one of the best deals. If you are a student, Spotify offers heavily discounted premium access. You just verify your student status, and you can get premium at a fraction of the price. In some cases, it includes free months as a bonus. Now here's something most users miss. Sometimes Spotify runs promotional campaigns during holidays or special events. These can include 1 to 3 months of premium for free. You just need to keep an eye on the official Spotify offers page. No third-party apps, no risky websites. In a minute, here's the easiest way to maximize your free time on Spotify. Combine trial offers with family or duo plans. For example, a friend like Alex or John might already be on a family plan. If they invite you, you can get premium access at a shared cost or even free if they cover it. Another smart tip is to cancel before billing starts if you are using a trial. That way, you avoid charges while still enjoying full premium access during the trial period. So here's the simple breakdown. Use official free trials, check carrier bundles, explore student plans, and watch for promotions. These are the only safe and legal ways to get Spotify Premium free in 2026. If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment with which method worked for you, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you save money and get more value from everyday apps.